Socialization is the lifelong process through which individuals learn and internalize the norms, values, behaviors, and social skills necessary to function as members of a society. From a sociological perspective, it is the mechanism by which culture is passed from one generation to the next, and through which individuals develop their social identities. This process occurs through interaction with various social agents, such as family, peers, schools, and media. Socialization is not just about learning rules, but also about understanding societal expectations and developing a sense of self in relation to others. Sociologists emphasize that socialization is both a way to maintain social order and a means for individuals to actively engage with their culture. There are three main types of socialization: primary, secondary, and anticipatory. Let's look at primary socialization first. Primary socialization refers to the initial phase of learning, where a child acquires the basic skills, values, and behaviors needed to interact with others in society. This process primarily occurs within the family, as parents, siblings, and other close relatives serve as the child's first teachers. For example, children learn language, table manners, and basic concepts of right and wrong from their caregivers. Through imitation and reinforcement, a child begins to understand societal norms and expectations. For instance, when a child observes a parent showing kindness to others and receives praise for doing the same, they internalize the importance of kindness as a social value. Here's another example. Siblings often play a significant role in teaching younger children how to share toys or resolve conflicts, thereby contributing to their primary socialization. Now let's look at secondary socialization. Secondary socialization occurs later in life, typically when individuals are exposed to new environments and social groups outside the family. This phase allows people to adapt to broader societal roles and expectations. Schools are one of the most significant agents of secondary socialization. For example, students learn discipline, teamwork, and time management through structured activities and interactions with teachers and peers. Extracurricular activities, such as joining a sports team or a drama club, also help individuals understand and navigate different social dynamics. Beyond the school environment, workplaces are another example of secondary socialization, as employees learn organizational norms, professional etiquette, and teamwork. Here's another scenario. When individuals join community organizations or religious groups, they often adopt new behaviors and attitudes aligned with those social contexts. Now let's explore a third type of socialization, called anticipatory socialization. Anticipatory socialization involves learning and adopting behaviors and attitudes in preparation for future roles or social environments. This process often occurs when individuals consciously observe and mimic the norms of a group they aspire to join. For example, a teenager who wants to become a doctor may start volunteering at a hospital, learning the basic expectations of medical professionals, such as empathy and precision. Another example is college students preparing for the workforce by taking internships where they gain exposure to professional standards and workplace culture. Now let's consider another scenario. A person moving to a different country might study the customs and language of that culture to ease their transition and integration. Through these experiences, anticipatory socialization allows individuals to align themselves with future social roles effectively.